Okay, let's talk a little bit about multi-user in AIO. To set that up, you go to each computer and do setup by clicking defaults, and then click on the defaults tab from this menu and select get serial from server. Click that on and put in your spot log path, which should be a shared folder on some drive that anybody on the network can see. And serial server should be possibly in that same folder. Then you click save. Okay, so now everybody starts the same contest, and the log will be maintained on each computer's drive. So you can go ahead and do the contest, and each serial number will be different because it's being retrieved from a central location. During the contest, you can have a spotter add spots to work. So you'd have probably just one person, and then he'd look around. Once he sees a spot or a contact that somebody can work, he clicks on add, puts in the call sign, and now it shows up. If you click spot, it'll show up at the bottom here as a purple line, and anybody will see that since everybody sees the same spot log. So the spotter would just keep looking around for contacts and adding those in, and they should show up when you click spots. It'll also show up in the on the graphic display right at the top. And you see they're purple, so you can tell that they were put in locally or manually. So now as these are worked, either from this screen or from the rig, it'll disappear. So once it's worked, you won't see it down here anymore. Okay, well, once you're done, you would go to the Cabrilla file and write that out. Each one would probably be a unique name on each computer, and then on any computer you bring up this merge Cabrilla files, and you have up to 10 files that you can merge at one time. So you would click that and keep adding entries or files. At the bottom here you can see that you have to have the date position and time position, and you can find that easily by clicking this button, and it'll look at the first file and show you that the date is at position 16, the time position 27, which is pretty normal, and that's what the defaults are. Now you put in your output file and click go, and what it does, it merges all the files, and you end up with something like this. Your score is a sum of all the different sheets, and each operator is listed here, and each entry is unique and occupies the correct time, and that's the way it works.